Hello. Today we'll be going over RMSD alignment. And so to start off, we'll go ahead and load two kinases. The first one is going to be 4RT7. We'll put that over there. And the second one will be 4R7I. You can close the load menu. Now, as you can see, these two structures are very similar. So you could try to align these manually if you wanted to. But of course, there's algorithmic approaches to this, and that's what we'll be exploring today. To start off, we're going to go ahead and color these differently. So I'm going to go ahead and select this structure here on the left, open up my color menu, and color that one yellow. I'll then select the other structure and color that one blue. Close the color menu, click on the sky to deselect, and then open up the stacks menu, which is where all our plugins are hosted, to find the RMSD plugin. When you activate that and then press run, you'll get this other menu here where you can start to set the input to be one structure, in this case 4RT7, and the target to be the other, 4R7I. The default settings here are good enough for most use cases. And what will happen is we'll be aligning the sequence, making sure that it's only the backbone and only for your selection here. We'll go ahead and select both of those structures there, and then on the entry list, and then press run. Once the calculation is complete, you'll see an RMSD score, and the two structures will then start to get overlaid. Now, these red cubes that you see here are these boxes which you can toggle on and off on the entry list here. And I'll go ahead and lock this in place. But as you can see here, the two structures are now very much aligned. And we can then take this a step further to look at the differences in the sequence by opening up our sequence menu here. So if I go ahead and open chain A for both of those structures and then press align, you can see here the blue highlighted regions are the areas that are the same, and these non-highlighted are the differences. Now we have a very quick way of selecting all the differences by pressing on this lower right-hand button here called Select Unmatched. And once we do that, we can do some modifications to the representation to make it a little bit more obvious as to what the changes are. So for example, if we went into the ribbon tab of the display menu, you can change that to putty. And to make it even a little bit more dramatic, you could just color your selection to a different color, like purple in this case. So here it becomes very obvious all the areas that are similar and different for both of those two structures. I hope this is helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@nanome.ai. Thank you.